Hi guys, this is Bhaskar. Very welcome to my YouTube channel. And as a part of this video, we're going to talk about the SQL Server data type. Spoken about the tables, creating them, altering them, deleting them, and adding constraints on the column levels. So in this video, we're going to talk about data types using SQL Server. So what is a data type? A data type is an attribute that specifies the type of data that the object can hold. Okay, so basically it can be like various integer type data or numerical uh, data, character data, monetary data, date, timestamp, binary. So other types also we have that advanced data types. So we are going to look in some of the data types, main data types here. So when we say about numeric, exact, and approximate, it can be by bits, digits, tiny ints, small ints. So based on the size which we are trying to store in those particular columns, so we select those data types. So mainly frequently used is the integer one. It's primarily used in most of the numerical data types, and float and decimal. These are also data types which will be using them. Uh, so apart from that, we have the date and timestamp columns which we will be storing. So this is a date time, and date time is a combination of both date and time. So it has a more space. It occupies 8 bytes. So apart from this, there are also other data types which I've not covered here. So we can refer the SQL documentations for those data types as well. But on a daily to day basis, we'll use most of these data types itself. For the strings, we use varchar characters. Text is for description columns. We have more text to add into that columns. And binary field, binary, where binary, image, cursor. These are all advanced data types which we use it sometimes. So I'll be showing them when we use this type of columns. I'm going to cover there. So as a basic explanations on this video, I'm going to show you the basic data types which we use most frequently. So let's start with the creating a table with those data types. Create table tbl data type demo. We have id as an integer, mm, first name as character 5. This is limited to only 5 characters, so we can't store more than that. So just to test it, I'm adding that. Last name varchar as 6. Date of birth, let's keep it as date, and salary as a decimal. This is position and fixed value up to this. So what are the other types we have it here? Um, Date time will delivery time from the shipment received. These are all just random columns I'm using. It's not a specific meaning here. Okay, just to show you the data types which we have here. Time. Salary decimal income money. Okay, let's create this table. So if you see here, we have columns here: character, varchar, date, decimal, time, date, time, money. Okay, let's edit a few columns in this. So let's store some data basically. ID as one. First name is just name, L name, date of birth. Okay. So here we have inserted our single record into this. Let's select this. So here, suppose we have considered this name as 5 characters and the last name as 6. Let's try into increasing this name here. So I'll just add one more record here to keeping all the values same. Data type column here we have there. So here, suppose we have the name column as 5 characters. Suppose we are trying to include 6. Uh, why? So it's more than 5 characters here. We have 6 characters. Let's see how it loads. So it says that the statement has been truncated. Since for the first time we are using bberry, but it's saying bberr. Okay, let's say okay. And okay, we need to fix this. So let's reduce this. So it's not allowing us to insert more than that size column here. Same for even last name also. So if you add more characters in the last name, it says the last name column has been terminated. The statement is not able to store all the values which are storing here. Okay, so let me correct it. So these validations is based on the data length what we provided in them here. Character 5 characters, 6 characters. So that's the size it's going to take. Okay, so you can see it. So that's one of the thing here. So thanks for watching. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel.